If you want to know how to install Rocket League Sideswipe on your iPhone, open the Safari browser first. Then go to the official website of Epic Games, epicgames.com. Then tap on Install in the top right corner. Then tap on Install again, allow to install the app, and then double click on the side button, enter your passcode, wait a few seconds until Epic Games is installed and then open it. Now tap on Get Started and log in into your Epic Games account. If you don't have one yet, just create a new one. Allow any notifications coming from Epic Games if you want, and then you are here in the app. Just navigate through the app for any games. To find Rocket League, it's best to use the search box on top. Just search for Rocket League Sideswipe, open it. Here you will see an install button or a small cloud icon with an arrow. Just tap on it to install it, then tap on Install App again, and for safety double click on the side button. Enter your passcode, and then you are going to install Rocket League Sideswipe. It can take a few minutes, up to 10-20 minutes, depending on your device and internet speed. Once it's fully installed, just open it, log in into your Epic Games account, and now you're ready to play Rocket League Sideswipe on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.